Hey, honey, what you got there?
I got my new seasoning kit box from Tubnell's Market. I'll take this on.
This looks great.
It smells so good.
Yeah. Mmm.
Oh my gosh, this is so good. Oh my god, this is so good.